Are you looking for the top 5 best dual-fuel portable generators? Which one actually delivers? How much should you actually spend on a dual-fuel portable generator because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones? It's a bit interesting. Some kits promise big power. Others claim easy switching between fuel types. But which ones actually work when you need them most? Let's break it down. Product number 1. Hutch Mountain EU2200i Conversion Kit. This Hutch Mountain conversion kit is designed specifically for the Honda EU2200i, turning your reliable inverter generator into a dual-fuel powerhouse. At $293, it sits right in the mid to high range for conversion kits. If you already own the EU2200i and want backup fuel flexibility during outages or camping trips, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Propane burns cleaner than gasoline, stores indefinitely, and gives you options when gas stations are closed or fuel is contaminated. This kit lets you run your generator on propane without voiding your Honda warranty, a huge plus. It includes everything you need: regulator, hoses, and mounting hardware. Real users report smooth transitions between fuels and consistent power output, which is critical when you're running sensitive electronics like phones, laptops, or medical devices. Now, some people complained about installation complexity. Here's the thing though, this isn't a plug-and-play upgrade. You'll need basic mechanical skills and about 30 to 45 minutes to install it properly. If you're not comfortable working inside a generator cover, you might need help, but once it's in, it works reliably. This is perfect for you if you already own a Honda EU2200i and want fuel backup without buying a whole new generator. Product number 2. Hutch Mountain EU2000i Conversion Kit. Next up, the Hutch Mountain Kit for the Honda EU2000i. Almost identical to the EU2200i version, just built for the slightly smaller 2000-watt model. Also priced at $293, it targets the same audience: Honda owners who want dual-fuel capability without replacing their trusted generator. If you've got the EU2000i and worry about fuel availability during emergencies, this kit makes a lot of sense. The benefit is the same: propane storage, cleaner emissions, and fuel redundancy. Since the EU2000i is popular for RVs and tailgating, this conversion lets you run longer on propane tanks you might already have on hand. The installation process is nearly identical, same tools, same time commitment. And just like its bigger sibling, it maintains stable voltage and frequency, so your electronics stay safe. Now, the downside: 0 reviews and no rating. That's a red flag. While the product looks identical to the EU2200i kit, the lack of user feedback means we don't know how common installation issues might be, or if long-term reliability holds up. It's possible it's just as solid, but without real-world data, you're taking a small risk. This is perfect for you if you own the EU2000i and want peace of mind with dual fuel. Skip this one if you're risk-averse and need proven track record. Product number 3. FMCN Mech 8 GPM Fuel Transfer Pump. Alright, that was a solid option for Honda owners, but what if your real problem isn't the generator itself, but actually getting fuel to it? This FMCN Mech electric transfer pump solves a different but equally important issue: moving diesel, kerosene, or oil safely and quickly. Priced at $139.98, it's not a generator, but a critical support tool for anyone running dual-fuel setups in remote locations. Here's why this matters. During long outages or off-grid use, you might need to refuel your generator from a bulk tank. This pump moves 8 gallons per minute. That's fast. It's 110-volt powered, so you can plug it into your generator while it runs, creating a self-sustaining fuel loop. The heavy-duty build handles farm equipment, trucks, and generators alike, and the included hose and nozzle make it easy to control flow. Now, the flaw: it's electric only. If your generator fails or you're completely off-grid with no AC power, this pump becomes useless. Some users also noted the hose could be longer for large tank setups, but if you've got power, it's a reliable workhorse. This is perfect for you if you manage fuel storage or run generators regularly in remote areas. Skip this one if you only need occasional backup power at home. For the price, it's a smart add-on.
Product number 4. The Westinghouse WEN 5300 DFCV carburetor. Now, if the previous tools were about adding capability, this one is about fixing what's broken. This carburetor replacement is made for the Westinghouse WEN 5300 DFCV, a popular 5300-watt dual-fuel generator. At just $39.99, it's a budget-friendly fix for a common failure point. If your generator is sputtering, stalling, or won't start on either fuel, this could be the culprit. Here's why this matters. Carburetors gum up over time, especially when fuel sits too long. Since dual fuel models have more complex fuel pathways, they're even more prone to clogging. Replacing the carb restores performance on both gasoline and propane. It's a direct fit for the 274cc engine, and installation takes about 20 minutes with basic tools. Now, the downside, no reviews and no ratings. Again, that's concerning. While the price is right, we don't know if this is a high-quality OEM-style part or a cheap knockoff that fails in 6 months. Some users report fitment issues with non-original carbs, so compatibility could be hit or miss. This is perfect for you if your WEN 5300 DFCV is acting up and you've ruled out fuel or spark issues. Skip this one if you're not comfortable doing small engine repairs. Still, at under $40, it's a low-risk try if you're troubleshooting. Product number 5. Hutch Mountain EU 3000 IS Conversion Kit. Finally, the Hutch Mountain Kit for the Honda EU 3000 IS, the largest in this lineup, supporting up to 3,000 watts of clean inverter power. Also $293, it's built for those who need serious runtime and fuel flexibility. If you rely on your EU 3000 IS for home backup, job sites, or RVs, this kit adds critical resilience. The advantage here is scale. More power means longer runtime on propane, and the cleaner burn reduces carbon buildup in the engine. The kit includes all necessary components, and like the others, it's designed to preserve your Honda warranty. Users who've installed similar kits report excellent performance with seamless switching between fuels and stable output for sensitive loads. But again, no reviews. That's a pattern with these conversion kits. Great idea, proven concept, but limited real user data. Installation is still DIY, and if you're not handy, you'll need a technician. Also, propane reduces total wattage by about 10%, so you'll get slightly less power than on gasoline. This is perfect for you if you own the EU 3000 IS and want maximum fuel security. Skip this one if you're looking for plug-and-play simplicity. For Honda owners, it's one of the best ways to... So, which one's right for you? If you own a Honda EU 2000i, EU 2200i, or EU 3000 IS, the Hutch Mountain kits offer solid dual-fuel upgrades. Just be ready to install them yourself. The FMCN mech pump is a great add-on for fuel management, and the Westinghouse carburetor is a cheap fix if yours is failing. All have potential, but watch for the lack of reviews. Choose based on your generator model